Introduction. Hey everyone, today we're diving into a hot topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, medical cannabis. Some say it's a miracle for chronic health issues, while others are more skeptical. So let's break it all down. Is medical cannabis just hype, or is it truly a ray of hope for people struggling with chronic conditions? What is medical cannabis? First off, what exactly is medical cannabis? It refers to using certain parts or compounds of the cannabis plant, like CBD and THC, to treat specific medical conditions. And no, it's not about getting high. It's about targeted therapeutic use, not recreational fun. Does it really work? The big question is, does it actually work? Research shows potential benefits for issues like chronic pain, epilepsy, and nausea caused by chemotherapy. However, the science isn't 100% settled. It's still a growing field. Some patients report amazing relief, while others notice little to no change. The risks and concerns. Like any medication, medical cannabis comes with potential side effects. These may include dizziness, drowsiness, or even dependency in rare cases. Another concern is inconsistent product quality, especially in places where it's poorly regulated. So it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Careful usage is key. The rise of medical cannabis. The legalization of medical cannabis in various parts of the world has changed everything. It's now being used to manage symptoms of arthritis, multiple sclerosis, epilepsy, and cancer. The cannabis compounds interact with the body's endocannabinoid system to help regulate pain, mood, and inflammation. Many people also like that it often has fewer side effects than traditional prescription drugs. Overhyped expectations. Critics say the excitement around cannabis often goes beyond what the science currently supports. Many studies so far are small-scale, unregulated, or lacking control groups, meaning they don't provide strong proof. Also, dosage and formulation vary widely, making consistent treatment tricky. Social stigma still exists. Let's not forget the social stigma that cannabis still carries due to decades of prohibition. This stigma often prevents patients from exploring it as a treatment option, and can even discourage doctors from recommending it. Genuine promise exists. That said, there are real success stories and valid approvals. For example, the FDA has approved CBD-based medications for rare types of epilepsy. Personalized, doctor-monitored cannabis treatment plans are showing potential in delivering safe, effective results. A balanced take moving forward. So, where do we go from here? The answer lies in balanced exploration, not blind belief or outright rejection. We need more scientific studies, better regulation, and healthcare support to truly harness cannabis as a reliable treatment. And for those curious about high-quality options, make sure to stick with trusted CBD stores like CBD Store India for safe, certified products.